Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm going to do a loaded palette knife swipe. I bought this new palette knife which is small but still has a reasonably sized surface area, so I wanted to give this a go with the loaded palette knife. It's Montmartre number 15. Let's get started. So I'm going to be using my Bloom paints and the British Paints Walls Interior as my base. I've strained it to get any lumps out, so hopefully we won't find any in here, and I'm going to put that down first. Now, one thing I was thinking today is that I want to keep my puddle small, do my design so that when it spreads out it's much bigger, so I'm going to try that. And I also think I'll do a background swipe with a couple of colors. Oh, maybe I'll bring this green in as well for that. Oh, this is one of the Montmartre metallics, might be mint green or sage green or something like that. Let's just drizzle some in. I like my background to be reasonably light, but adding in a bit of detail can be fun. Let's give it some metallics. Obviously, the more colour I put down here, the more it's going to stand out. I haven't decided how light to go. Maybe we could add a bit of bright green, just a little bit. Oh, didn't mean to do that. How do we get that out? Maybe just dabbing it. That worked. Alright, so for my background swipe, I'm going to use my white swipe mix, which is Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with 3 parts Australian Floetrol. Which end? I might swipe from this end. And I'm just going to bring this that way. Yep. And now I'm going to do some loaded palette knife. So to do that, I have to put down my swipe mix onto my palette knife first. Now, one of the problems I've been having is I think my swipe mix has been too thick, so I'm just going to spread that out that way. Let's try that. Put some colours down. Got some gold here, let's put some gold on. These paints are quite thick. I might put some of the light green on as well. Maybe some of this colour underneath. Just so we've got plenty of colour. Because we've got a big palette knife. All right. Go from here. interesting. Where's my small palette knife? This one will do. Maybe I should scoop this bit. Try it with the big one. Okay. I'm going to use a small palette knife now, I think. Try and decide where I'm going to go. I might go this way. Again, I'm going to just do a very light spread of the black. And I might actually bring that green in. Let's try. Okay. Cool. Just going to center it a bit. Might just take that out to the corner. Let's give this a spin. Glad I brought that green in. tilting for composition. So I'm probably only going to keep this. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to apply that with a torch. And I think I want to bring it down this way. Okay, let's spin again. Cool. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay. Gonna spin again. All right. I think I'm going to leave it there. Okay, so here is the wet result. Let's have a look. And the background lacing. It's a nice blend up through here. More background lacing. Quite like that one there. And then the dark lacing here stands out quite a bit. And a few squiggly bits. And there you go. We'll have a look at this when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result. I've just hung it this way for a minute so you can get a bit of a different angle. And I also want to show you the shine through these metallics. The Montmartre metallics always shine quite nicely. And I'm going to turn it this way. And have a look. The lacing. Quite like this lacing up here in the background. Very nice. Yeah, that turned out quite well. I hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.